Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on the 10th of March. Continue to hold AENY short. Went up a little bit today, not much. And yeah, it's pretty boring and the volume faded a bit. Other things, SNGX, a gapper I bought into the close, before the close. I chased it a bit, so I got bad price versus 27 cents, which would have been a good entry. And I added a little to get my entry down from 28 cents. So I'm a little bigger than I'd like to be too. ATTD was a Twitter pump by Penny Stock Chaser. And I played it off the backside of the pump. I was looking to potentially hold it overnight while they pump it to their email people, but it wasn't looking very strong, so I got out with nuts, 16 bucks. And then the big thing was Zane and Tier. I should have played it midday off, or not midday, mid-morning off that huge spike, but I covered at 285 in my Sogo account as it failed to panic in the morning and as it started to spike. That was a great cover. Should have been watching it. If I'd kept watching it, I would have wanted to reshort up there. So otherwise, it just lost a lot of volume, and it's not very interesting anymore. And then Zane, which is insane in the membrane. It's really choppy. Lost money on it today. The way to play this is not shorting on new lows, but waiting till it spikes, and then short once the spike starts to peter out. So you don't need to short at the top of the spike, short there. And then you're fine, then cover, then short as this spike peters out. And it's like a lot of the more liquid, huge supernovae that I've seen in the last few months, half year. Starting with, what, PEIX, not really that much, but RTK was one. NLST, I think, too. I don't know whether it's algorithmic trading or what, but normally stock, when it breaks below its lows, I mean, that's a great sign, like right here, to short. It'll keep falling, but instead it looks like there's some traders that are just buying every time it makes a new low, and then it spikes up, and then they sell the spikes. So you just got to be aware of how things trade. And I mean, I've seen that the last couple days in the stock, so I should have taken that into account, but I didn't, and I lost money as a result. And I shorted a bit holding overnight. And this video is not going up until tomorrow, the 11th, someday around midday, so I have no clue what I'll be holding then when this finally gets posted and uploaded. So see my disclaimer on the blog post then. Thanks a bunch. Check me out next time, reapertrades.com.